but...
Welcome
Welcome
to the Imagination Woodshop. I don't know.
Welcome.
I don't know.
I don't know about
I don't make videos with people anymore. It's weird. Today, we finally make good on a promise. You ready for this? See these sticks? Addie here, I have commissioned her to build a vase?
Vase?
A cup? A chalice?
Yeah.
I don't know, something.
It's a thing that holds other things.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do today.
Yes.
She is the lathe working extraordinaire. I'm going to help her get some prep work done, get all the pieces laid out. Should be a fun project.
An adventure.
An adventure.
We're
Going on an adventure. Be strong, Addie.
I'm so strong.
Yep.
Got one.
I'm going to set them right down here.
Okay.
So don't get lost. And then all you got to do, that one's good. Undo it. And then clear. And it's flipped. That's it. And then you just put these little bad boys back in. You ready? Come here.
Okay.
Alright, you made things.
Made things.
Look, she made things. Here's what's better than mine. So, now...
We make more.
Make more! Alright, let's make more things. What are you going to do if Mr. Vaughn doesn't like this?
Probably just take off from the building. Put it on ornamental. You know, there's no in between.
I think he's going to just be excited to have something.
Yeah. You know, it's this or we got 6 more months.
Alright, are we good?
I think so.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's all the sanding that was required? I thought you were going to, that's just going to be like days and days of sanding.
Well, last time there was 400 segments. Of
Yeah,
sanding,
you
so.
400 things of sanding. Now we just glue?
Mhm.
And then you turn.
Mhm.
Cool.
The next day.
Alright, you ready for this?
Sure.
Alright, so we have...
Rings.
We've got rings. So we were able to do all the glue ups. I took the rings, may have borrowed a sander. Thank you, Mr. DeFreeze. Appreciate that. But now the rings are nice and flat. And Addie, why is that important?
We don't want any gaps in between the rings, so when you turn it, it won't, like, explode.
Explosion is bad.
Yes.
That's what we're trying to avoid, is an exploding vase. So we have the rings, that's all set. And then we also have a base. Thank you again to Mr. DeFries for showing us your magic. So basically attached a plate to here and cut out a little inset for the new
Nova Chuck.
Nova Chuck. Nova Chuck, go.
Really?
Maybe.
Wow. Okay.
All right, and then the Chuck sits in here. Lathe worker extraordinaire. Turn a vase.
Turn a vase.
Yeah. So all we have to do is basically cut this off, put our layers on here. We're going to do it in what, 2 or 3 parts?
See how we're feeling.
Oh,
Probably 3, but I don't know.
I can't get
Did
it
you
out.
get stuck? Really?
Maybe, yeah. Oh well. It'll be fine. On to the next phase. Four really boring glue-ups. That literally took all day. Not really all day. We were doing other stuff too, but
5 days work?
full day's work right there in the bag. But now we're ready for the fun part.
Cute, awesome transition.
It's looking good, kid. Progress. All right. Well,
We're done with this part.
we got to take the second piece and we are going to glue it to the finished piece and basically do the whole thing all over again.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
And then after that, it's just sanding and polishing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Let's do the glue up. Get to the next step. getting there. What do you think? Good luck, that outside's wobbly. I think you take down the middle even more, honestly. Trying to get those glue lines. I think so. Yeah. Shape her up. Alright, so most of the work is done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got it all shaped. What do you think of those carbide bits?
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
She actually did a taper up on the front. And then it sanded down to a
320?
320. And now the goal, final stretch.
Final stretch.
Decided to use a spar urethane. So we thought about mineral oil and decided instead of using an oil and letting that get dry out over time, we're gonna go ahead and seal it. That way it gives them a few more options of what they want to put in the vase. It just will be more durable over time. So are you ready for the fun part?
Yes.
This takes 2 coats.
2 coats.
Okay? But this is the fun part. Here we go. Well,
We made a vase.
we made a vase. Well, you made a vase. I just kind of assisted.
I made a vase.
I was your assistant. Well, show it off for the world.
Ta-da.
Came out pretty good. The walnut looks really neat. The dark walnut base. What do you like?
This walnut kind of shines in the light like copper.
Yeah, like you can kind of see it a little bit. Where, yeah, it really does look like copper. And I really like the flared edge that you made as well. So that's cool. Like I say, this was for the 250th subscriber giveaway, which admittedly was months ago, but well, life happened. And she's finally making good on a promise and her first commission. And I think it came out great. So I'm proud of you.
This
Well
one's
done.
for you, Vons.
Yay, Vons, you did it. So, all right. We gotta have like a sign off. You gotta say like, hey, thanks so much for coming along. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, something catchy. What's your sign off?
I'm Addie and you're watching Disney Channel.
You can't say that. If I ever make money on this, it'll get demonetized.
I'm Addie and you're not watching Disney
You're watching.
Channel.
No, you want. Look, I'm Addie, and
And
this.
you're watching the Imagination Woodshop.
Oh my God, I love it. All right, well, hey, we'll see you on the next one. Oh, kid.